Good morning, everybody. Today we're gonna be doing the camping slash overland setup version 2 for you guys. We got my girlfriend and my dog Penny in the back, and so stay tuned for that tour. We brought these things. They're called kendamas. I've been into them when I was a kid and recently started playing again, but now the girlfriend's into them, so we're gonna jam some of these. Oh. Camping views for today, actually for the weekend. All right, everyone, so she's gonna start the cooking, and then we can show you how it's done. But so she turns on the propane, and I mean, you guys know what the deal is. If anyone's seen the video before, they know I have the RSI smart cap, and so the gull wing doors allow access on the sides and all three sides. So I just put this bungee on the struts to get the paper towel here, and then I've also, I've showed it in my previous videos, but I installed lighting. The switch is just right here. All right, so pancakes and bacon it is. The black stone heating up. It's our little living room. And this is our kitchen sink. So we wash our hands with the bin and our soap, sponge, hand sanitizer. Then that cutting board doubles as a sink. We're running the ignite tank on the Blackstone. And then here's some of our lighting. We just got two little Energizer lights on bungees and these string lights go all the way just to right there. And they're solar paneled or solar powered, and Penny's bowl. And the lunch is a free-for-all. Beautiful. Oh, spoke too soon.
Still looks beautiful.
I've had friends tell me that the starter, the little igniter, is kind of faulty on some of them, so I guess it's just luck of the draw. But I mean, if you're buying a later model, then it should be fixed by now, because this one works just fine. All right, guys, here's the breakfast for the day. Got the coffee mate, butter on the pancakes, and the crispy ass bacon. Thank you, baby.
You're welcome.
Oh, and there's Penny.
Did she dump it all out?
Yeah.
Oh,